Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a BMW 1 Series key fob. Programming a new key for your BMW 1 Series is a straightforward process, but it requires precision. First, ensure your new key is the correct type for your specific model. You'll need to have all existing keys present during the procedure. This method typically involves a sequence of ignition cycles and button presses to synchronize the new fob with your car's immobilizer system. Let's get started with the first step. Before you begin, make sure you have all your BMW 1 Series key fobs with you inside the car. Close all doors and ensure the vehicle is completely off. Insert the key you wish to program into the ignition, but do not turn it. This initial step prepares the car's system for the programming sequence. Holding the unlock button on the key fob is crucial for initiating the synchronization process. This sets the stage for the next series of actions. Now, with the key in the ignition, quickly turn it to position 1 and back 5 times within 5 seconds. This action signals the car to enter programming mode. After the 5th turn, release the unlock button you were holding and immediately press the lock button once. The car should respond by locking and unlocking the doors, confirming successful programming for that key. For additional fobs, repeat the unlock and lock button sequence within 30 seconds. Once all keys are programmed, remove the key from the ignition. Test each key fob individually to ensure all functions, including locking, unlocking, and trunk release, operate as expected. If any key doesn't work, you might need to repeat the process from the beginning. This final check confirms that your BMW 1 Series key fobs are fully synchronized and ready for use. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience of your newly programmed keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.